What you doing? What are you playing with there? Playing with the soother? One Shoe Sally. Hey you. Olivia. Look at that shoe. One Little Shoe Sally. We should probably start packing, don't you think? Pack your clothes to go on vacation? Where's your other shoe? Did you throw it out of the crib? Where's your other shoe? Sing a song. Silly. Sing the song. Sing it. Sing the song. La 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 la. Sing. La 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 la. Sing a song. La la.
I wanted to have Jamie on just to publicly congratulate him on the tremendous...
You haven't sung to me all day. Are you going to sing a song for me?
Such an important show, such a fantastic show. The message
Sing it.
He got nominated for an Emmy.
Sing it. Let's turn the radio down so we can hear you sing. Let's turn the stereo down, girlfriend. There. Sing my song. Sing my favorite song to me. Livy? Olivia? Hey. La 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 la. Sing it. Sing the song. You're not going to sing it? La 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 la. Woo! Hey, silly nut. You're not supposed to just flop back. Well, now you're going to sing. Sing. La 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 la. La la la. You're silly, One Shoe Sally. I don't know where your other shoe went. You're chasing it. It's like a dog chasing its tail. Trying to chase your shoe. Oh, what's your noggin? Are you going to sing me a song? Sing me a song. Oh! Sing. Sing me a song. Please. Sing me a song. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Sing. Come on. I like when you sing songs to me. Look at that little star moving. Oh, that's a star. There you go, chasing your shoe again. Here's your phone.
Hello? Hola. Bonjour. All your friends. It's Daddy. I love you.
Daddy's on the phone.
Let's call Grandpa.
Oh, Grandpa. Call Grandpa.
Grandma.
Then you're talking to Grandma. You don't know who you want to talk to.
Hola. Who is it, please?
It's for you. Take it. It's for you. I think you might have a poopy bum.
There.
Because you're kind of stinky. Just a little bit. Let's take that shoe off. Let's take that shoe off. There. Oh. Oh.
Let's call Mommy.
Oh, you're calling me. I better go answer the phone.
Let's call Grandpa.
What, you want that shoe back? Oh my goodness. We gotta get you dressed
Adios. Au revoir.
and go pick up Daddy and go pick up a rental car and then come home and you have a bath. What do you think?
Let's call Grandma. Let's call Mommy.
Oh, you snuggling into Bunny?
It's Daddy. Hi, Grandma.
Bunny! Bunny!
Let's call Daddy.
Bunny! That's your favorite bunny, isn't it?
Let's call Grandma.
Olivia? Hey! Hey, you!
Adios. Au revoir.
Nut. You're silly. You're a silly girl. Okay, what do you think? Let's go get ready. What? Tell me. Tell me. What do you think?
Let's call Grandpa.
Let's get you dressed.
Let's call Mommy.
Oh. Are you going to sing me a song, Olivia? Hey, you.
Bye. Adios. Au revoir.
Okay, then let's get dressed. Get ready to go pick Daddy up. You ready? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What's with the mouth opening, silly? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. 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 Now you're going to sing to me, are you? Ooh, hi. What you doing? What? You can't get up? Try. You're rocking back and forth. You gotta move your legs. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Gotta go. See you later. Au revoir. Say bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Gotta go. Bye-bye.